Peace be upon you. How are you all? I hope you are all well. Today we will teach you how to make frozen fries in less oil and how to freeze them. Fry them in less oil, but the texture will be exactly the same as when we deep fry them. So, before starting the recipe, I have a small request to you, that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and press the bell icon button so that you will get notifications of my upcoming new videos. Also like my Facebook page. Start the recipe. I have taken ½ kg of potatoes, and look at them. I have cut them into such a thick size, that it is important to cut them in this way, because, the way we make them, they will not break. So, you should also try to cut in similar sizes. What you have to do after that, we have to wash these potatoes, with the water about 3 to 4 times, so that all the starch comes out. Otherwise there will be a risk of these potatoes breaking later. So, you must wash it 3 to 4 times. This is very important step to do. Now we boil it. We have to take a clean pan, and first of all we have to put the potatoes in it, and then we have to put enough water in them, so that our potatoes are submerged well. Now we will put 2 teaspoons of salt inside the water. We will mix the salt well, so that the salt will mix well in potatoes. We will boil the potatoes on medium-high flame for about 8 minutes. Do not boil for more than 8 minutes, or the potatoes will break. Let's boil the potatoes for 8 minutes. Check it out. 8 minutes, I have been boiling the fries. And you don't count after 8 minutes of boiling water. As soon as you add water and French fries, your countdown will start. So, as soon as we get to 8 minutes, keeping it that way, we cover the French fries and let them rest for 15 minutes. So, let's see after 15 minutes. 15 minutes have passed to putting it on rest. Now, we will remove its lid and stain it with any strainer. We have drained the fries from salt water. Now we have to take plain water. It is plain hot water according to use. And for 5 minutes, we will cover it with a lid and let it rest. Look, we have spent 5 minutes keeping the fries in hot water. Now we will drain the water. I have drained the fries. Now you have to take a kitchen paper, or take a kitchen towel. So, I have taken the kitchen paper, and you have to put the fries on it, one by one, and carefully spread it out. Let me put it aside, I will tell you next step. See, these fries too, I have put them nicely on the kitchen paper. Now, you let these fries on, either on the kitchen counter or under a fan, for an hour. So for an hour, we have to air it so that it dries well. As soon as an hour passes, then do the next step. Now, again we take a clean pan, and in it we will add 2 tablespoons oil. On medium-low heat, we will add our fries, one by one. You don't add it all at once, and we will stir it at the same time, so that our fries are fried well, from all sides. Only for 5 minutes you have to fry. It has been 5 minutes, while we were frying the fries, and see that their color has changed slightly. That's all, we had to fry it. We take it out, separately on a plate. See, our fries are all fried. We have fried them with 5 minutes interval each. So, now you have to take such a Ziploc shopper, or any such airtight shopper, in which there is no passage of air. Carefully put the fries, one by one, into it. So, let's put all the fries in it, and show you. Look, at the Ziploc bag, I put all these fries in, and sealed it well. We have saved some of these fries and I will show you by frying them with 3 tablespoons. After you make the fries and put them in a Ziploc bag, you then put them in the freezer for 6 hours so that they freeze properly. So next time you have to fry the fries, you have to take out the fries an hour before, so that they are well set, and then you have to fry them. But I'll show you the fries now, after frying them, so I can show you their texture. But freezing them is must, if you want to get the right texture. In the pan we will add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we will add the fries one by one. Don't add all of them at once, and we will fry them well from all sides. See, our fries have started cooking on medium-low heat. And as soon as the dark color comes to one side of it, then we will change its side. We have to cook it well, and you don't stir it too much because they are already boiled, so they will break. So all you have to move it with your hands lightly like this once. See, as soon as the fries started to change color, I flipped them to the other side. Look how beautiful these light golden colors are. And now we cook them from the other side. As soon as they are crispy fried, we will take them out on a plate. Look how our fries are fried so well, and look how I move them like this and they don't fall apart at all. And now it has a nice golden color on it, and it is also crispy enough. So now I take them out on a plate. Look, it seems that they are completely deep fry. Let me take them out on a plate now. See, these fries are completely ready. Let me show you its texture. Perfectly cooked inside and so crispy on top. How crispy they are and not broken at all. There are just a few steps that you will follow, and yours will also be perfect at home. As I have said, if you will watch the entire video, and follow the entire recipe, then your recipe will be perfect. Then tell me in the comment box, how you like this recipe. If you like it, then share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel, and also like our Facebook page. I will return with the new video. Goodbye.